Okay, come here. Hey, don't bunk on my foot. Hey, guess what?
Daddy, guess
What?
what? I love you.
No, guess what?
Hey, Daddy, guess what? I love you.
I love you. What are you doing? You wearing a princess dress and zebra flip flops and riding your bike. You having troubles? You want help?
No, I need my flip-flop back on.
No, it's backwards. Here,
Yeah.
I'll help you. Turn it away.
Thank you.
Oh, that's very nice manners. Thank you. Did you get it? In the back. There you go. All right. I want to see you ride all. Turn around and ride all the way to the stop sign. Ready, go. No.
Hey, Daddy, guess what? I love you.
Hey, hey, KK. Guess what? I love you.
Hey, Daddy, guess what? I love you.
Oh, thank you. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Okay. Bye bye.